Okay, it's already 6. Let's start. Welcome to the class. We'll start with warm up. Keep little distance between the legs. We will start with neck exercise. Exhaling, bend neck down, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, slowly take it back, air touching the backbone. Exhaling down. Inhaling back. Exhaling down. Come to center. Inhaling, turn head towards right. Chin and the right shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch a little more back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling left. Chin and the left shoulder in the same line. From there, stretch it back. Come to center. Now exhaling, bend head towards right. Right ear on the right shoulder. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, come to left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Inhaling, come to center. Exhaling, go right. Right ear on the right shoulder. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling left. Now come to center. We will rotate the head clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling right. Right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly come forward. Chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling right. Right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling. Come to left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Now anti-clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling down, right. Right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Relax. Legs together. Now both the hands forward movement. Elbow straight. Shoulders coming very close to the ears when you are rotating. Similarly, reverse. From sides, lift the hands up and down alternatively. Now place the palms on the shoulder. Join the elbows at the front. Exhaling, stretch them at shoulder level. Now join the elbows at the top. Bring them down straight. Leave it. Again join them at the top and bring them down. Do it one more time. Now join them at the bottom. Bring them up straight and then leave it. Two, three times. Now keep hands straight forward. Exhaling, pull the elbows back and lock it. Similarly, up and down. Lock the elbows at the front. Now keep hands straight. Wrist movement 2-3 times inward and 2-3 times outward. Now shake the entire hand, both the hands randomly, including the fingers. Normalize the hands. Now right hand straight forward. Take right leg little back and try to reach the toe towards the hand. Exhaling. Similarly, left hand with the left leg. Now right hand with left leg. Similarly, left hand with right leg. Normalize. Keep both the hands on the knees. Bend the knees forward. Straight them back. Do it 2-3 times. Now rotate knees clockwise without lifting the heels. Make a bigger circle. Anti-clockwise 2-3 times. Relax. Now holding the hands at the hip, lift the right leg, rotate the ankle clockwise 2-3 times. Anti-clockwise 2-3 times. Similarly, left leg. Clockwise 2-3 times and anti-clockwise 2-3 times. Come back. Both the heels together, both the legs together, hands along with the body. Lift on your toes. Lift maximum. Again, one more lift from there. Exhaling slowly, come back and lift the toes. Again, go back and lift on toes. Slowly go back. Now do jogging. When you are doing jogging, see the heels touching the hips and count. Sit on the asana, relax, keeping the legs straight, stretching them. Stretch the toes forward. Exhaling, bend forward and see the forehead is coming closer to the knee. Those who has a backache, don't bend forward. Exhaling, bend forward. Relax. Fold the right leg. Place the heel on the left knee. Try to hit right knee towards the floor with right hand. Neck and back straight. Look forward. Catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Bring the knee very close to the chest and send it back. Do it 2-3 times. This will help to sit in Padmasana. Now hold the knee with right hand, ankle with left hand. Move the leg towards the right, maximum towards the right. Now hold the toe with the left hand. Try to bring leg close to you and then send it back straight. Straighten the leg and then bring it close. Now bring toe very close to your left ear while exhaling. Don't bend the head. Toe should reach the ear. Slowly come back. Normalize the leg. Do all this with the left leg. Fold the left leg. Place the ankle on the right knee and try to hit the knee towards the floor with left hand. Hold the knee with both the hands. Bring it close to the chest and send it back. Now hold the ankle with right hand, knee with left hand. Move horizontally towards the left. Maximum towards the left. Holding toe with right hand. Bring the leg close to you and then send it back straight. Do it 2-3 times. Now bring right toe close to the right ear, left toe very close to the right ear without bending. Exhaling, slowly take it back. Straighten the legs. I will sit in Padmasana. Fold the right leg. Place the heel right side of the navel. Fold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg. There should be very minimum gap between two heels. Both the knees on the floor. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Thumb and index finger gently touching each other. Remaining 3 fingers looking down. Wrist on the knees. Eyes gently closed. Normal breathing. We will do deep and long breathing. Completely exhale. In the final stage, see the root of the navel touches the backbone inside. Pull the navel deep inside. Apply Mulban. Pulling the perineal muscles is Mulban. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Release Mulban and repeat 2 more times. Exhale completely. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. Place the root of the navel on the backbone. So your effort should be like that. And then apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling. Slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Release Mulban. And then repeat 1 more time. Once you are done, relax. We will chant Om 3 times and then Gayatri Mantra. Mouth into circular shape. Mahamantra, Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tasaviturvarenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Gently open the eyes, open Padmasana. Without taking support, try to get up. We will do Vrikshasana. Legs together, hands along with the body. Normalize the breath. Fold the right leg. Place the heel very close to the hip joint. Toe looking towards the floor. Right knee looking towards the right. 90 degrees. Once you get the balance, inhaling, take both the hands from sideways. Join the palms at the top. Now normal breathing. Stay there as per your capacity and focus on any one point. This looks simple but very powerful for the concentration, also the memory power. Exhaling, slowly bring the hands from the sideways, normalize the leg. Do it with the left leg now. Fold the leg, left leg. Place the heel very close to the Janghamul. Toe looking towards the floor. Left knee looking towards left. Once you get the balance, inhaling, take both the hands up from the sideways. Join them at the top and focus on any one point now. Normal breathing. If you place the feet on the knee, you will not be able to stay longer. So try to place the entire feet looking down. Exhaling, bring both the hands from sideways, normalize the leg. We will do Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana, leaving two thighs behind. Heels together, toes apart, hands along with the body. First Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms, root of the thumb at the chest cavity, both the elbows parallel to the floor, eyes gently closed, concentration at Agya Chakra between two eyebrows. We will invoke the Sun God. Om Ravaye Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up. Shoulders should be attached to the ears. Now inhaling, bend back from the cervical, looking forward. Shoulders should go to the extent ears go. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra, behind the throat, on the backbone. Thyroid and parathyroid glands will get activated. Exhaling, bend forward. Those who has backache don't bend forward. Shoulders should come along with the ears. Bend completely down. Concentration at Manipur Chakra behind the navel on the backbone. If you cannot place the palms on the floor, try to touch the fingers on the floor. Otherwise, try to place the palms on the floor beside the feet. And forehead towards the knees. Knees should be straight. Inhaling, placing both the hands firmly on the floor. Take the right leg back maximum. Right toe in standing position. Right knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Left leg 90 degrees between two hands. Chest forward, head back, look up. Stretch back maximum. Lower back should be down. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra between first and second vertebrae. Exhaling, take the left leg back. Join both the legs. Try to place the heels on the floor, chin at the throat cavity. Take the head inside. Concentration at Sahasrara Chakra, crown of the head. Try to place the heels on the floor. Don't reduce the stretch. The sciatica problem will go away. Inhaling, bring the body parallel to the floor. Elbow straight, knee straight. This is inclined position. Entire weight should be on your palms and the toes. First knees down. Chest between two hands on the floor. Forehead on the floor. Palms very close to the chest. Elbows looking up. Lift the lower abdomen a little, that should not touch the floor. Concentration at Anahata Chakra, behind the heart, on the backbone. Pushing body forward. Lift yourself up. Straighten the elbows. Lower back down. Chest forward. Head back. Look up. Concentration at Mooladhara Chakra, tip of your backbone. From navel to shoulder, try to stretch back maximum. Entire respiratory system will get torn up. Taking support from the toes, lift yourself up. Go back and place the heels on the floor again. Concentration at Sahasrara Chakra. Thyroid problem will go away in this position. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. Left knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down. Chest forward. Head back, look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra between first and second vertebrae. Exhaling, bring left leg forward. Join both the legs. Straighten the knees. Now bend forward and place both the palms on the floor, forehead towards the knees. Shoulders along with the ears. Slowly lift yourself up. Bend back from the cervical. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Lie down on the backbone. Relax the entire body. Normalize the breath. Recollect the asanas which we have done. We will do Tadasana. Join both the legs. Hands towards the head on the floor at the shoulder level. Inhaling, stretch yourself in opposite direction. From navel, you should feel like two people are pulling you in opposite. Stretch more, a little more. Normal breathing, but don't reduce the stretch. Relax. Keep hands over there. Just relax the elbows. Relax the toes. We will do Navasana. Keeping hands over there. Again, stretch hands and toes. Toes in stretch position. Knees straight. Exhaling. Lift yourself. Lift the legs and bring it close to the hands. And roll on your back. In both the sides, elbows and the knees should be straight. Toes should touch the floor. When you go forward, your hands should touch the toes. Forehead towards the knees. Gently roll on your back. Don't hit the back on the floor. Entire spinal cord will get torn up. Slowly relax. Relax in sitting position. Keep little distance between two legs. Hands behind the back. Look up. Close the eyes. And normalize your breath. We will do Konasana. Join both the legs. Hands very close to the hips, behind the back. All fingers together. Inhaling, taking support from the palms and the heels. Lift the central part of the body up. You can suspend the head at the back. Now try to place the toes on the floor without bending the knees. Lift yourself up. Oxygen retention capacity will increase. Chest will expand. Backbone will go away. Back pain will go away. Stretch a little more. Normal breathing. If you cannot stay there, slowly come back while exhaling. Take longer time to come back. And then sit in Vajrasana, placing both the hands towards right. Fold both legs in one go. Toes together, heels apart. Sit in between. Hands on the knees, elbows very close to the body. Close your eyes. Normalize your breath. Vajrasana will improve the digestive capacity. Also, the backbone will become like a diamond. So try to sit after taking food. Now slowly lie down on the abdomen. We will do Naukasana. Hands towards the head. Forehead on the floor. Legs together. Now inhaling, lift hands and the legs alternatively up. Only abdomen area should be on the floor. Rest of the body should be up. Now roll on the abdomen. When the legs goes down, hands should come up. When hands go down, legs should come up. Roll on your abdomen. Once you are done, relax in Sithilasana left side. Left ear on the floor. Left hand, left leg straight. Right hand, right leg folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eye in the form of mirror case of uppercase of L. Both the lung gloves on the floor, shoulders in normal position. This will normalize the low blood pressure. Bring the right leg under the head. Come on to the backbone. We will do Pavan Muktasana, the final stage. Hands along with the body, palm looking down, legs together. Fold both the legs. Bring the heels very close to the hips. Catch hold of the knee with clasped hands. Inhaling, holding the breath inside. Bring the knees very close to the chest. Till the time you can hold the breath, stay there. If you cannot hold, exhaling, lift the head, bring the forehead between two knees. Now roll on your back. Knees should be very close to the chest. Forehead towards the knees. And now roll. When you go forward, feet should touch the floor. When you come back, head should touch the floor. Roll gently on the backbone. Unwanted gases will go away in this asana. Now placing the head on the floor, roll to right and left. When you go to left and right, see both the legs are coming towards the floor without lifting the head. Come back, relax in Savasana. Relax entire body. Little distance between two legs. Toes towards the floor. Hands along with body, palm looking up. There should not be any stress on the body. Now scan the stress-free body from right leg toe to head, head to left leg toe with your mental eye. Scan each and every part of the body. Considering that you are the fittest person in there, turning from right, come back and sit. Sit in Padmasana. We'll go for pranayama. Before pranayama, we will do Hasyasana. Wholeheartedly, we will laugh for a minute. You can unmute yourself so that others also can hear your happiness. Inhaling. Relax. We will do pranayama. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Eyes gently closed. Right hand in pranayama mudra. Hold first two fingers. Place it on the root of the thumb. Remaining two fingers straight. Thumb on the right nostril. Ring finger on the left nostril. Close the right nostril with thumb. Open the left nostril. Inhale deep from left nostril. Slowly up to the grim. Hold the breath inside. Apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Exhale from right nostril. Exhale completely. Apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Relax and start inhaling from right. Hold the breath inside. Apply Mulban. Relax Mulban and exhale from left. This is one round. Repeat two more rounds. Inhale from left. Hold the breath inside. Apply Mulban. Relax the abdomen. Exhale from right. Hold the breath outside. Apply Mulban. Release Mulban and start inhaling from right. Hold the breath inside. Apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen and exhale from left. Hold the breath outside. Apply Mulban. Release Mulban and repeat one more time. Once you are done, relax. We will do Nadi Sodhan Pranayam. Left hand in Jnana Mudra, right hand in Pranayama Mudra. Close the right nostril. Similar to what we have done just now, but in a sequence, in more controlled manner. First listen to me and then you can continue doing it. Inhaling from left by counting 4. Hold the breath inside. Apply Triban, Moolban, Udianban, and then Jalandharban. Count 8. Release Bandhas. Exhale from right while counting 8. Hold the breath outside. Apply Triban while counting 4. So 1:2:2:1. So that is the ratio. And release Bandhas. Inhale from right while counting 4. Hold the breath inside. Apply Triban while counting 8. Exhale from left while counting 8. Hold the breath outside. Triban while counting 4. This is one round. I will repeat one more time. Inhale from left while counting 4. Hold the breath inside. Apply Triban while counting 8. Release Bandhas. Exhale from right while counting 8. Hold the breath outside. Apply Triban while counting 4. Release Bandhas. Start inhaling from right while counting 4. Hold the breath inside. Apply Triban while counting 8. Release Bandhas. Exhale from left while counting 8. Hold the breath outside. Apply Triban while counting 4. Relax and repeat one more time. Once you complete the rounds, relax. We will do Bhastrika. Place both the hands on the knees. Left hand in Chin Mudra on the knees. Right hand in Pranayama Mudra. Close the left nostril with ring finger. Elbow very close to the body. Now in first round, inhale and exhale from the right nostril. It should be deep inhalation and complete exhalation. Do it for 10 to 15 times. In the final stage, inhale deep, hold the breath inside, apply Triban, hold for some time. release bandhas, exhale from left, again hold the breath outside, apply tribal and release. The final round, start inhaling deep, hold the breath inside, apply tribal, release bandhas, exhale from left, hold the breath outside, again apply tribal. Release bandhas. This is first round. In second round, close the right nostril, inhale and exhale from the left nostril, same number of times. In the final stage, inhale deep from the left nostril, hold the breath inside, apply tribal, hold for some time, release bandhas, exhale completely from right nostril, again apply tribal and then relax. In the final stage, inhale deep from left nostril, hold the breath inside, apply tribal, release bandhas, exhale from right, again apply tribal while holding the breath outside. And then relax. So this is second round. In third round, we will inhale from right, exhale from left, inhale from left and exhale from right. Same number of times. In the final stage, inhale deep from the right nostril, hold the breath inside, apply tribal, hold for some time, release bandhas, exhale completely from left nostril, again apply tribal, hold for some time, release bandhas, start inhaling from left, hold the breath inside, again apply tribal, hold for some time, exhale from right, hold the breath outside, again apply tribal, hold for some time and then relax. The final stage, inhale deep from right nostril, hold the breath inside, apply tribal, release bandhas, exhale from left nostril, hold the breath outside, again apply tribal, release bandhas, start inhaling from left nostril, hold the breath inside, again apply tribal, release tribal, exhale from right nostril, hold the breath outside, again apply Tribal. Release bandhas, relax. In the final stage, place both the hands on the knees, Chin Mudra. Now inhale and exhale from both the nostrils, same number of times. And final stage, start inhaling deep from both the nostrils. Hold the breath inside. Apply Triban. Hold for some time. Release bandhas. Exhale completely. Again apply Triban. Hold for some time. Release and then relax. Inhale deep from both the nostrils. Hold the breath inside. Apply Triban. Release bandhas. Exhale completely. Hold the breath outside. Again apply Triban. Release bandhas and then relax. Now you will not feel either inhaling or exhaling. We'll call this as a Kaivalya Kumbha. Just be there in that state for some time. Relax. Now hands in Jnana Mudra. We will go for meditation. Just listen to me and then you can practice. Normalize your breath. Once you normalize the breath, start focusing on the tip of your nose. Observe the breathing pattern, inhalation and exhalation. Concentrate on the breathing for some time. And then slowly divert your concentration to your thoughts. Just observe on the thoughts. Let the thoughts come and go. Don't stop them. Don't involve in them. Just focus on those thoughts as a spectator. Stay there in that state for some time. Slowly come back and again focus on the breathing pattern. Yeah, go ahead. Slowly relax. We will chant Om once and then we'll conclude today's session. Om. Be there in this state for some time. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch toes forward and back. Right and left. Rotate clockwise 2-3 times. Anti-clockwise 2-3 times. Relax. With this, we can conclude today's session. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you, Andy.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, Andy.
Thanks, Andy Narendra garu.
I think I have some problem. Speaker. Thank you.
Thanks, Andy Narendra garu.
Thank you very much. And
I always look forward to these sessions.
thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you very much. Thanks for that appreciation.
Okay, Andy. Next week again.
Yeah, next week. Thanks.